What's up, YouTube family and friends? This is Big J once again coming at you with another video, and I just want to show y'all. I got my Xmaxx here all tore apart. I'm doing a gear, checking all my gears out, and this here the 50 tooth mod 1. This is my spur gear, and I happen to chip a tooth on it. Bam! So I'm headed to the hobby shop to replace it. Here's my little dry shaft gear. Goes right on the inside of there. Seem to be fine. And here's one of my rear differential gears, and he got a couple teeth missing right there. Finna go replace him too. He's a little stretched out right there, but I think he'll be fine. For the meanwhile, my pinion gear, it is mod 1 as well, 20 tooth. He seemed to be fine as well. We also have another gear right down in there, and he seemed to be fine. Why they run him plastic, I don't know, but he's been holding up. And like I said, I have my my stock Xmaxx motor, 6S Traxxas motor stock, along with my Max 5 back there. So just a rundown on my RC. What I'm finna do. Thank y'all for watching. Please like, subscribe, hit that thumbs up. Peace and love, y'all.